Dear students, welcome to the tutorial on the law of cosines. The law of cosines is useful for computing the third side of a triangle when two sides and their enclosed angle are known, and in computing the angles of a triangle if all the three sides are known. If we observe this triangle, sides denoted by small a, small b, small c, angles denoted by capital A, capital B, capital C. If we know two sides B, C, enclosed angle capital A, so we can find the remaining side small a by using cosine rule. If we know two sides small a, small c and enclosed angle B, we can find the remaining side small b. If we know side A, side B, enclosed angle C, we can find the third side small c by using these rules. A square is equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc multiply cosine A. B square is equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac cosine B. C square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cosine C. These rules, if we know two sides and enclosed angle, we will use these three rules. If we know all three sides A, B, C, then we can find the remaining angles. If you need angle A, use this formula. Cosine of A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. If you know all the three sides of a triangle. If you want to find angle B, we use this rule. Cosine B is equal to a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2ac. If you want to find angle C, cosine C is equal to a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. Now I will explain some example problems related to the law of cosines. Example 1. In triangle ABC, side B is equal to 12 units, side C is equal to 20 units and angle A is equal to 40 degrees. Find side A to the nearest integer. If we observe this triangle, two sides is given. Small b is equal to 12, small c is equal to 20 and their enclosed angle A is given, that is capital A. Angle is equal to 40 degrees. We have to find out the third side, that is what? Small a. We have to find out small a. Since the only angle is A, we use the law of cosine dealing with angle A. So a square is equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc multiply cosine A. A square is equals to side B value 12, 12 square plus side C value 20, 20 square minus 2 multiply 12 multiply 20 multiply cosine 40 degrees. If you simplify this, we will get the value of a square is 176.29888. But we need side A only. A is equal to 13.277758. But in the problem, we have to find the side A to the nearest integer. The nearest integer to this value is 13. This is our required side. A is equal to 13 units. Example 2. In triangle ABC, sides A is equal to 9 units, B is equal to 5 units and C is equal to 8 units. Find the angle capital C. If you observe this triangle, angle A opposite side is side A. A is equal to 9. Angle B opposite side small b is equal to 5. Angle C opposite side small c is equal to 8. In this triangle, if we know all the three sides, we use the law of cosines. Here we have to find the angle C. So we have the formula c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab multiply cosine c. This c is called what? Angle. We have to find out this angle C. So side C is equal to 9. Side C is equal to 8. So 8 square is equal to side A 9. So 9 square plus side B 5. 5 square minus 2 multiply 9 multiply 5 multiply cosine C. 8 square 64, 9 square 81 plus 5 square 25, 2 multiply 9 multiply 5 minus 90 multiply cosine C. From this, minus 42 is equal to minus 90 multiply cosine C. We need the angle C. Cosine C is equal to minus 42 divided by minus 90. Minus minus will be cancelled. 42 divided by 90. Angle C is equals to cosine inverse of 42 divided by 90. By using calculator, find this value. We will get angle C is equal to 62.2 degrees to 1 decimal place. This is our required angle C, 62.2 degrees. In this problem, all the three sides of a triangle is given. We are find the angle C. Similarly, we can find angle A, angle B also. Example 3. Solve the triangle PQR in which P is equal to 6.5 centimeter, Q is equals to 7.4 centimeter. Find and angle R is equal to 58 degrees. In this problem, two sides P, Q and enclosed angle R is given. So definitely we can apply the law of cosines. Solve the triangle means we have to find out the remaining side R, small r and remaining two angles capital P, capital Q. So first we will use the cosine rule to find the side small r, because we know two sides small p, small q and enclosed angle capital R. So side small r, that is r square, is equal to p square plus q square minus 2pq multiply cosine r. From this, r square is equal to side p value 6.5 whole square plus side q value 7.4 whole square minus 2 multiply 6.5 multiply 7.4 multiply cosine 58 degrees. After simplification, this r square value is 46.03. We need r value only, that is side r is equal to 6.78 centimeter. This is the r which is 6.78 centimeter. Now we know three sides, one angle. We have to find out the remaining two angles, capital P and capital Q. For this, we use the sine rule. Sine r divided by small r is equal to sine P divided by small p. Sine r 58 degrees divided by small r, that means side 6.78, is equal to sine P divided by 6.5. Cross multiplication, we will get sine P is equals to 6.5 multiply sine 58 degrees divided by 6.78. After simplification, you will get angle P value 54.39 degrees. Now we have to find out the remaining angle Q. We know that in a triangle, the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees. By using that condition, angle Q is equal to 180 degrees minus of angle R minus of angle P. So 180 degrees minus 58 degrees minus 54.39 degrees. From this we will get 67.61 degrees. Now observe, we know the all three sides P, Q, R and all angles capital P, capital Q and capital R. This is the way to solve the triangle by using the law of cosines. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learned to the law of cosines. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. Solve each of the following triangle using the law of cosines. First problem, angle A is equal to 87 degrees, side B equal to 12 centimeters, side C is equal to 9 centimeters. Two sides and enclosed angle is given. We can apply the law of cosines. First, we can find the remaining side A, then find the angle B and angle C. Second problem, angle Z is equal to 131 degrees, side X equal to 9.4 centimeters, side Y is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Here also two sides and enclosed angle Z is given. So we can apply the law of cosines and find the side small z. After that, we can find the remaining two angles capital Y, capital X by using sine rule.